Constraint-based sketching, horizontal and vertical constraints. So the horizontal and the vertical constraint will always be relative to the x-axis and the y-axis. So let me make a rectangle. I have my automatic constraints on, and I'm going to use the grid to snap to. And as you can see, automatically I have my constraints of horizontal, horizontal, vertical, and vertical automatically applied. I can double click this box. I can move to grid position. I can take an element of the box and stretch it, move it, translate it. But what I can't do, I can't box select, I can't move, rotate. With these constraints, that's impossible. I can translate about any axis in any direction, and that's about it. When attempting to apply a constraint onto a curve or a curve end, you will know if that's an acceptable constraint by the element highlighting. So looking at the horizontal constraint, if I now approach a circle, it's meaningless for a circle. If I approach an arc, the end of an arc, the actual arc or the center of an arc, it's meaningless. But if I now go to a line, the line highlights, but also as I touch the curve, note that also the curve ends are highlighting. If I come off the line and approach just the curve end, the whole curve highlights. And if you look down here into the information bar, you'll see that I'm not catching the curve end, I'm catching the line as it visually shows as well. So if I select the curve end, it makes the curve horizontal. Also, if I apply a dimension to this line, 16.1658, if I now apply a horizontal constraint, the length of the line does not change. So let me undo that. Let me delete this constraint. Let's make it horizontal again. Now if I select the line and measure it, you'll see it is 16.168. So it maintains its length irrespective of dimension constraint.